Sa Pilipinas, may dalawang Ethel Buba. Yung isa may mukha at yung isa may password, no? Ang ganda! For years, no, yung Twitter account na at I am Ethel Gabison was known for intelligent, funny, and sometimes highly political tweets na nag-end ng charot! Sobrang laki neto na umabot to ng 1.6 million Twitter followers. Love ng mga tao yung wit ni Ethel! May mga bakla na nagka-quote ng mga tweets ni Ethel in real life. At some point, no, people actually call their Twitter royalty. Pero pagkalipas ng ilang taon, no, Ethel herself said, hindi pala siya, no, yung nag-tweet sa account na yon, no? And the plot thickens! Mare, no, this is not Mara Clara. This is Mara Clara, Ethel, and Ethel! Sabi ni Ethel, no, yung account na yon started as a parody fan account noong 2012. Nagustuhan ni Ma, no, yung mga tweets niya. So sabi niya, may admin ako, no, nakalibre ako! At yung account continued growing, no, amassing power. No, it was so successful that Viva even released a book. Hashtag Charotism. Nakalagay sa title, The Wit and Wisdom of Ethel Buba. Hindi lang natin finalo yung potentially fake Ethel, binili rin natin sa National Bookstore ang libro niya, no? Ang ganda! Pero noong 2020, no, naging political ang tweets neto and, you know, Ethel had to stand up. Sabi niya, at tuluyan na niyang dinesown, no, yung account na yon. At doon, ladies and gentlemen, na-confuse ang buong sangkabaklaan. But eventually, no, that actual account rebranded itself to the name of at Fake Ethel Buba. No? Ang ganda! At no, hindi pa siya natapos doon. The bio even read as started as a parody account until Ethel claimed it in national TV. So in summary, Fake Ethel disowned Real Ethel. After Real Ethel disowned the Fake Ethel. This is the Ethel Buba multiverse of madness. At you guys, the Real Ethel even created her own real Twitter account at Ethel Buba 6. You know, Ma, ang tanong ko lang naman ay, nasan ang Ethel Buba 1 to 5? May 5 pa ba tayong twins na hindi namin alam? Mapapaisip ka na lang, no? Ilang Ethel ba ang kailangan natin para mabuo ang Avengers? You know, at this point, no, hindi ko na rin alam kung sino ba talaga yung tunay na poser, no? Baka ako na yata yun, no? Ang ganda! Like and follow for more.